Why do you think that in our culture we think that it's okay to be publicly okay but privately broken?
Well, there's this thing, what happens in this house stays in this house.
Say that again, girl, because we were all taught that.
Yeah, so that is something that we hold on to and we take it to our grave, so we keep it privately. We don't want people to know that we're really going through something. And we end up, those things, I say that we carry our wounds into the womb. And we ended up in the grave and we take all those secrets into the grave with us, and sometimes it hurts the people that we've left behind.
Yeah, I love that you say we take our wounds into our wounds, and one of the things you also said was that hurt mothers build hurt daughters. And so when you're helping, the thing you've birthed now is sheology, herology. And so I thought that was so powerful, because when you said that, you got to start with you and then help somebody else. So tell us a little bit about that. And
yes, herology is the reincarnation of the woman. I smile when I say it.
Yes, you do. It makes me smile too.
Yes, and her is the healed, elevated, and restored woman.
Say that again.
Healed, elevated, and restored woman.
Wow.
Yes, because there were so many damaged pieces that I had. And one thing about it, when you have damaged pieces, everyone that you come in contact with, you're breaking them, you're cutting them with those broken pieces that you carry. So realizing that I was hurting people that I was coming in contact with, as well as hurting myself. And when you become a woman of herology, you learn how to go deep down inside and pull that her out that's been abused, the her that has walked around with so low self-esteem, the her that just had no idea of who she was, because that was me. I always say that I was the woman at the well once before, because I looked for love in all the wrong places until I had that encounter with God. And with herology is what I want every woman to understand, that there is a her inside of her that deserves to be loved, and the best love that she can give to her.
Yeah, I love that, the excitement and the passion you have because of what you've gone through. What you've gone through has given you what you're doing, the ability to do what you're doing. When you want to inspire other people by sharing it. What has been the most rewarding part of herology for you? What has been the most rewarding part of it for you?
Wow, when I hear women say, I found her again, that her that I lost, I'm learning to love her, because as women, I'm not a mother, but I see it every day where we give ourselves, we play so many roles, but yet we forget ourselves. We play hide and go seek with ourselves, and we forget to go and find her. So when women tell me, hey, I found myself again, I'm loving me, I'm learning to celebrate myself, that is the most rewarding part, because it's not about me. I want every woman to win.
Yeah.